In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Ads account name. Updating your account name can be essential for maintaining consistency across your brand or simply for organizational purposes. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to achieve this seamlessly. To get started, you'll first need to log into your Google Ads account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the overview page of your account dashboard. This is your home base within Google Ads, where you can access various tools and settings for managing your campaigns. Now on this overview page, look for the navigation menu located on the left side of your screen. Here you'll find the admin section. Click on admin, which will take you to the area where you can adjust account settings and preferences. This section is crucial as it gives you access to all the core settings tied to your account's administration. Once you've entered the admin section, the next step is to go to preferences. Within the admin settings, preferences allow you to customize the fundamental details of your Google Ads account. Clicking on preferences will guide you to the area where you can make adjustments to various account options. After you're in the preferences section, look for the account name option. This link will lead you to the specific page where you can update the name associated with your Google Ads account. This setting might be tucked away at first glance, so be sure to scroll if necessary and click on the account name option to proceed. Now that you're ready to change the name, type in the name you wish to apply to your account. It could be a more accurate reflection of your business, a new brand name, or simply a change for clarity. Whatever your reason, this is where you'll input the desired name. After typing in the new account name, make sure to review it carefully for any typos or errors. Once you're satisfied that everything is correct, proceed by clicking on the Save button. This step is crucial as it confirms and applies the changes you've made to your Google Ads account. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your Google Ads account name. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just getting started, being able to adapt and manage your account details is an invaluable skill for optimizing your advertising efforts. Remember, keeping your account information updated ensures that all communications and data reflect your current business needs and branding. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering Google Ads and other digital marketing tools.